Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine Vargas, and today I decided to do a look using the Morphe 24A palette. So this is what it looks like right here. I'm kind of making my way down through all of my collections. I did get like about 5 palettes that I haven't even used yet, so I'm kind of making my way down. But I decided to use this one and created this like very pretty cut crease purple look, just like playing around with it. I do want to do another look with it using more of the colorful looks, like more of the like vibrant colors, like the neon ones. But that will be on a next video. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you liked the video. And let's get into it.
So jumping right into the video, I wanted to show you guys what the palette looks like and how stunning the shades are. So I'm going to start off by taking the shade Major Inspo. It's the purple shade in this palette. And I'm going to start building the shade right on my crease, also going towards the inner corner as well as the outer corner. And guys, I am building this shade up to its full potential, so I'm going to go over it as many times as I can. Then after building it up for a long time, this is as dark as it can go, so I just went ahead and stopped there. Now I'm going to take Stage Persona. It is the light lavender shade right on the top, and I'm going to use this shade to blend out the first shade. And I am overlapping the shade a little bit with the first shade. It is going to blend away that first purple shade away a little bit, but that's okay because we're just going to go back and re-intensify it, which is what I am doing now, just going back and making sure that it was as dark as I had it in the beginning. Then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and start wiping away some of the Major Inspo shade just because I don't want it to bleed into the concealer when we do our cut crease. Then I went in with the e.l.f. Camel Concealer just to cut my crease. This is the hydrating one. Normally I would not do it with the hydrating one. I would do it with the matte one, or I would just do it with the matte concealer in general. But I was too lazy to go get it, so as a tip, don't do this. Normally it would come out better if you use a matte one. And now that we have our cut crease cut, I went in with the shade Secret Set. It is this very beautiful purple shimmery shade, and that's going to be put all over the cut crease. Then going back in with the Major Inspo shade, we're going to use the shade to help us blend out the edge of that cut crease. Then back in with Stage Persona, and we're also going to put that at the edge of the cut crease because I want it all to look very seamless and gradient. So this is going to help it look really nice. Then I'm going back in with the Major Inspo shade and then blending it into the Stage Persona as you guys see here. So I'm gonna go do this step a couple of times. I go in with both shades and blend and do it all again. And just to add a little bit of a pop, I went in with Spotlight Stellar. It's the glitter that has the chunks of stars in it, and also put that a little bit on the cut crease as well. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, as well as put on these lashes that I bought from Primark. They're amazing quality and they only cost me $3.50. Now moving on to face, I'm taking the Professional by Benefit and applying that to my face. Guys, this primer is my go-to. I even put this on when I'm going out without makeup just to cover my pores. Now going to foundation, I'm taking the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation in the shade 50WY and just dotting that on my face. Then to blend it out, I'm just going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge. It's my go-to to blend it out. For concealer, I'm just taking the Maybelline Age Rewinder in the shade Light, and I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. I want this to highlight more than cover because I don't really have dark circles under my eyes, to be honest. So I kind of use concealer to highlight. Then I'm just going to use my Dermablend powder to go ahead and set my face. And guys, I've really been wanting to try a new powder. Like, powders are one of the things that I never step out of my comfort zone. So I've been using this one for since I bought it, and only this one. So if you guys have any recommendations on bomb ass powders, inexpensive or expensive, it doesn't matter, let me know in the comments if I can go ahead and try them out. Now for bronzer, I'm just taking the Essence bronzing palette. I think this just came out new a month ago or something like that. And guys, you guys need to try this out because look at how bronzy it made me look. And I only used the second shade in, and it made me look like a bronze goddess. And for the price, which I think is only $10, is definitely a steal. Now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Grease Blush Palette. You guys seen this in my previous videos. Going back in with that first shade and popping that on my cheeks. Now going back in with the powder just to go ahead and clean up the blush and bronzer. Now back to eyes, going back in with those two shades again. I'm just going to run them on my bottom lash line. Then going in with the LA Girl Pro Neon Shockwave Liner in the shade Vivid and popping that on my waterlines. I'm not even going to say anything on this eyeliner because you guys see me talk about this eyeliners for in every video basically. So you guys already know the deal. Check them out. That's all I'm going to say. Then for mascara, I'm just taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational, an oldie but a goodie, and running it on my bottom lash line. Then I went ahead and did lips off camera, and this will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.